What is up mga kapatid? Welcome back on our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, we are going to continue yung patch notes, no? So, this is the part 2 dun sa previous video natin. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, yung part 1 ng video na to. So, check it out first and then balik kayo dito mga kapatid. So, ayun, ano pa nga bang hinihintay natin? Tara na! So, ayun mga kapatid, ito na yung part 2 nung ating patch notes update, no? So reminders lang ulit. Hindi pa siya fully implemented in game dahil hindi pa nagsisimula yung season 5 and we don't have an exact date pa mga kapatid kung kailan ma-implement to dahil wala pang nire-release si Project Sino upon making this video, no? So kung may mga changes pa dito, may chance, may possibility na mabago pa, but let's just keep updated and abangan nyo lang yung mga videos natin because lagi ko kayong i-update sa mga updates syempre ni Project Sino. So ayun na nga. So next one na sa ating listahan, si Kuya Ninja, no? Yung Raging Flame pinahina, grabe, sapul na naman ang ating Ninja Boy. Reduce damage, alright. Si Ninja Stars strengthen, no? So binuff nila yung Ninja Stars kasi technically, hindi naman siya napapansin sa arena. So, boost the damage, no? So, Great Sandstorm, in-adjust, change the cost from 2 to 3. Bakit nila in-adjust from 2 to 3 to? Para hindi na rin siya ma-spam katulad ng Poison Bomb. Dahil we all know na in-adjust na rin nila yung ultimate ni Ninja na reincarnation. No? As you remember, kung hindi nyo alam, pero sa mga nakakaalam, yung reincarnation ultimate ni Ninja, in-adjust na nila yon. So, kapag yung energy ng skill card mo is causing 3 energy, pag ginamitan mo siya ng reincarnation, 2 beses lang titira yung skill card na yan. Technically, pag mamit ka ng reincarnation, 2 beses lang titira yung Poison Bomb. So, ganun na rin yung mangyayari kay Great Sandstorm dahil in-adjust na yung energy cost niya from 2 to 3. So, maliles na yung damage ng Great Sandstorm kapag ginamitan mo siya ng reincarnation. So, that's a good adjustment dahil marami nang gumagamit ng AoE comp and it was evident on the previous tournament that was held in the Philippines noong XPT, no? Sino Pro Tournament nung Web3 YGG Web3 Game Summit. So, ayun, moving forward. Next one natin on the list, si Kuya Magraptor. Little Fighter strengthen, increase HP. Yung Cheer Doll strengthen, increase HP and boost strengthen effect. Alright. Falcon Counter pinalakas, change the cost from 3 to 2. So, technically, Falcon Counter, hindi siguro strengthen dapat. Adjust dapat yung nakalagay. So, next one, si Spiral Blow. Strengthen. Okay, si Spiral Blow. Boost the amount of damage. Storm Dance. Boost the amount of damage. So, ini-strengthen nila yung mga skill cards na hindi masyadong napapansin sa arena. So, to make the meta much more competitive, 'di ba? Kasi mahirap naman na kumbaga iisa lang yung meta na ginagamit ng mga players. So, maganda na gumawa sila ng update na ganito. So, next one si Megalodon Punch na adjust, reduce the amount of damage. Add critical against Sino. Okay, critical hit against Sino will deal more damage than before. So, dinagdagan yung critical damage. Alright, next one, si Necromancer. Bind Slash. So, I'm sorry, hindi ko pa alam yung mga skill card nito. Huwag hindi ko pa sa ulo kasi hindi ko pa nagagamit si Necromancer. Pero ayun, strengthen yung Bind Slash. Na-boost yung damage. Yung Death Cloud, na-boost rin yung damage. Yung Gravestone, increase HP of summon and boost the amount of damage ng summon. Skeleton Army, ganun din. Increase HP and boost the damage din. Yung Iron Maiden, which is yung ultimate niya, So Iron Maiden death effect, active HP value will be changed to level dependent. So magbe-base na siya sa level. The death effect activation value at maximum level will be increased from 70 to 80. So ang laking adjustment din nun. The changes will be applied in future updates. So ayan, sinabi na rin nila dito. So hindi pa siya applicable ngayong updates. Okay, sa next update pa sa season 5. So they will announce it. So sa charm may na-adjust yung Thunder Necklace. So ayan, the epic effect will be added with electric shock cancellation. The original effect will be added to the existing effect without changing the total ability. Whirlwind charm, yung LE. Okay. The legendary effects, the damage reduction effect from each class will be changed to a damage reduction. So wala akong masyadong idea dito dahil wala akong gantong charm. And ayun, wala akong NFT na charm dahil mga ano lang, yung mga common na charm lang meron ako. So passive, yung weight 10, strength 10. The condition for boosting speed will be changed from HP 99% or more to 80%. So kumbaga mas matagal mong magagamit yung boost ng speed ng weight 10. So ayun lang mga kapatid. So ayun, maraming salamat mga kapatid sa pagsubaybay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Kita-kits ulit in our next video. Bye-bye!